Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Pixiv artist account to showcase your artwork and connect with the creative community, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Pixiv website and click on Sign Up to create a new account. You can also use the Pixiv mobile app available on iOS and Android. Step 2. During registration, enter your email address, create a username, and set a secure password for your account. Step 3. After completing the sign-up form, Pixiv will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Pixiv. The subject line will typically be in Japanese but will contain a verification link or button. Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Pixiv website and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. Log into your Pixiv account using your verified credentials. Your account is now active and ready for use. Step 7. To build credibility as an artist, complete your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and links to your social media or portfolio. Step 8. Start uploading your artwork to your gallery. High-quality original content will help you gain followers and recognition in the Pixiv community. Step 9. For premium features and higher visibility, consider upgrading to Pixiv Premium in your account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.